Hello again and welcome to another Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're going to look at the past, the time before now. Listen to these three sentences. First one, we were driving along the road. Second one, we saw a broken down car at the side of the road. Next sentence, we stopped to help. So, three sentences. We were driving along the road, we saw a broken down car, we stopped to help. Three separate sentences. But how can you join all three together and make it sound more interesting, more exciting, more emotional? You need the past simple and the past perfect. Have a look at this. So here are our three sentences. We were driving along the road, we saw a broken down car, we stopped to help. Three short sentences. It would look much nicer with one long sentence. We have a timeline. Now, the time of speaking. Here is our timeline. We are here. Okay. So have a look at the sentences. We were driving along the road. Here we are. We started here. We finished here. It's all in the past. We were driving along the road. Past continuous. We saw a broken down car. Broken down car. We stopped to help. So we were driving along the road. We saw the broken down car by the side of the road, and we stopped here somewhere. We stopped to help. Okay. So, how can you make those three sentences into one? First of all, when did the car break down? The car broke down before we saw it. So the car broke down. Let's make that line where we stopped. The car broke down sometime here. We are now here. So, to make one long sentence, we need to use the past perfect here to say that the car had broken down. And then you can make a new sentence. We were driving along the road when we saw a car had broken down, so we stopped to help. We were driving along the road when we saw a car had broken down, so we stopped to help. One long sentence looks and sounds beautiful. Let's write it down. We were driving along the road. We were driving along the road when we saw a car had broken down. We were driving along the road when we saw a car had broken down. So we stopped to help. Three sentences become one. We were driving along the road when we saw a car had broken down, so we stopped to help. The car had broken down. Past perfect. To make the past perfect, you use the past form of have, which is in this case had, a car, it had, and the third form, break, broke, broken. A car had broken down. Three lovely tenses in one sentence. We were driving, past continuous. We saw, past simple. A car had broken down, past perfect. We stopped to help. Past simple again. Of course, the driver was very happy that we stopped to help, and then he got back in his car and drove off. So there we are. English grammar, the past simple and the past perfect together. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.